What's up, everybody? Welcome back to HPT. Today in this webinar, we are going to be breaking down a phenomenal day that we had. And more importantly, I want to break down moving averages. I want to simplify moving averages for you so that you never complicate them again. And honestly, I really want to talk about them because I used moving averages the wrong way for the longest time. And chances are you probably are too. And the thing is moving averages, do not underestimate them. Moving averages are, in my opinion, the most effective tool for traders because they really don't lie to you. Okay. And that's what we're going to talk about today in this video, right? Because there's a ton of tools out there, but you really got to ask yourself which tools are actually helping you pull the trigger so that you can absolutely crush the market. Look at these two trades we took today. Okay. We absolutely murdered the market today. We were extremely disciplined. We were extremely patient. I called out these two trades on the Discord. I also called out a trade on QQQ, but absolutely obliterated the market today. And it's because the conditions are healthy. So you want to make sure that you're taking advantage of these market conditions, right? Like Chris Beckwith, what up, stud? He's on our team. This man absolutely crushed the market. Okay. And the thing is like, we're using very simple tools. So that's pretty much what I want to go over today in this video. I just want to do a quick recap. I got about 15 minutes. And I want to make sure you guys understand exactly what we're doing over here to capitalize on these markets, okay? And for anybody that's looking to get involved with a team that actually knows what they're doing and actually executes and gets results in the market, take advantage of High Performance Trader, okay? We're offering $150 is 12 months access to our team. Comes with 21 different mini courses breaking down our edge, our strategy, and more importantly, the principles that we use to capitalize on these good market conditions. So make sure you take advantage of that while it is available. Okay. So these are the trades that we took right here. All right. So give me a minute. Let me pull up Think or Swim because I just had to restart my computer here. And you really got to ask yourself, right? Like, for the longest time, I was trading, but I wasn't really clear on what I needed to see to actually enter into a trade. And then I started diving very deep into moving averages. And moving averages, like I said today, most people use them, but they don't use them the way that we use them. Okay. And I'm going to keep it really simple. When it comes to moving averages, if it cannot close outside the moving average, trade with the moving average. If price cannot close outside the moving average, all right? So right here, right, when we took this market short, you could see here, we could not close outside the 20, okay? This yellow line right here, this is the 20 EMA, okay? Now, when price is coming into this level right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, we literally had 5 different attempts. Buyers tried 5 different times and they could not close outside that 20. So we got that green bar ignored. That's exactly where we hopped in the market short, and our stop loss went right above it. Okay. That first trade right there, I cleared about 80% ROI on that trade. All right. Second trade, once again, a little different. We're not using the 20 here, but what we are using is this guy right here. This is what we call an area of value. Now, I have been dropping endless content on areas of value because once you see them, okay, you know exactly what the market, like when I see an area of value, I automatically at that point, I know this market is bearish until otherwise. Okay. So when price comes back up into this level and starts rejecting, notice can't close outside that 50, enter into the market short. Josh, at what point did you actually enter into the market short? As soon as we got the green bar ignored. In short, stop goes right there, targeting previous day high, targeting end of day. Now, I cleared 167% ROI on this trade, and I also obliterated this trade on my Top Step account. Okay, you'll see right here, we were in the market short 5 contracts here on ES. Now, this isn't to go, oh my God, look at me, I'm this amazing trader. Okay, the reason why I want to break this down for you is so that you guys can take these exact same tools and implement them tomorrow and crush the market as well. Okay, and it's really simple, right? All we have to do is follow the principles. And that's what we're going to dive in today in this webinar. Okay. The world, the market, everything's governed by principle, and basically, like, principle being the law of gravity. Okay. Like, if I pick up this pen and I drop it, you can guarantee that it's going to drop straight to the ground. Okay. Gravity is a principle that everybody must respect. Okay. It don't matter if you're in Japan, in New York, Florida, I don't care where you are, gravity still applies. Now, Josh, why are you talking about gravity? Because it's a principle. Now that you understand principles, the market has principles as well, okay? There are universal market principles, and basically they govern price action, okay? Like the law of moving averages, okay? Moving averages are basically a tool that smooths out price data. All right. So there's going to be all these different points popping up on the chart, and the moving averages are going to smooth them, right? It's going to simplify them. Okay. Now, why is this important? Because it helps us better understand. It helps us filter out the noise. Okay. So over here at High Performance Trader, I'm all about filtering out the noise. Okay. I want to look at this chart and go, okay, yeah, we're getting all this crazy chop right here, but that's okay. My criteria is not present. So there is no opportunity for me right there. Okay. And then we finally get a nice moving average cross. Then we get that green bar ignored. We hop in the market short, and that is a beautiful trade to the downside. Okay. That's our 3-step approach right there. That is the HPT cross, the system that has helped more traders become profitable. Okay. We literally have over 70 traders on our team that trade this strategy. Okay. So that was the first trade. I didn't get that trade. If I come over to the Discord here, let's see here exactly where I hopped in the market short. Okay, so right here I'm trying shorts here, right? Now, once again, this is just to be very clear on when exactly we decided we were going to hop in the market and what caused me to actually enter. So right here at 1237, I'm trying shorts here. This is exactly what the market looked like, okay? So now if I pull up Think or Swim, at 1237 is this candle right here. Okay. Oh, hold on. That's the 4-minute time frame. Let me get out that 5-minute TF. 5-minute TF. Once again, how can we utilize moving averages in this scenario? And I'm not going to complicate this, guys. If it can't close outside the 20, trade with the 20. Okay. Very simple. If price cannot close outside of the 20, trade with the 20. Okay. We literally hopped in the market short on this candle. Our stop went right above it, and we took the market straight down to previous day high. Okay. Once again, what tools did I use here? A, the 20 EMA. B, areas of value. Okay. Josh, what do you mean? All right, let's talk about it. Right here, we get a green candle that got ignored. Okay. This green candle was completely disrespected by the following candle. Therefore, it becomes an area of value. Now, I don't just go short right here. I want to go short next to the 20. Okay. But I still draw my box around this zone because this is the area of interest. This is the area that's going to give me the opportunity. This area within this box lies my next winning trade. It lies my confidence. It lies my conviction. Okay. So what do? I then watch the 20 and I go, all right, can we close outside that 20? No, we can't. So once again, I'm using area of value and I'm using the 20 EMA. I can't close outside the 20, then I hop in the market short, trying shorts here at 1237. Let's see what we get. Price starts to sell off. Okay, once again, what are some things I can use here? Look at my moving average. Okay, I'm closing below the 9 DEMA. That's getting bearish. Sellers are showing strength. Josh, how much did you risk on this trade? I literally risked less than 30 cents. I hopped in the market right here, and my risk was right here. So once again, I hopped in the market around 663.40, and my risk is 663.70. I risked 30 cents on this trade to capitalize over 80% ROI, targeting the lows and then targeting previous day high. Okay, so this is why I took the first trade. It's not complicated. I identified an area of value because I spotted a green bar that was ignored. Drew my box around it, and then I watched sellers defend that 20. Okay, so you see here, we got this beautiful move down. Absolute smoke show. Ripped right in the previous day high. Okay, bam, done. My next trade at 2:53 p.m. Okay, I'm trying shorts here. Josh, why did you take this short? Okay, let's talk about it. So once again, this is where we entered our first trade. Okay, this right here, this is our first trade. Okay, and that's a 1. All right, that's a 1. First trade. Now, something important happened here. Okay, you guys see this green candle right here? This is what we call trapped buyers. Okay, a lot of buyers came into the market right here, and they are getting smoked. They're in losing positions. So now as price comes back to the green bar that was ignored, the area of value, I want the market to prove to me that buyers are strong. So until this box breaks, I'm bearish. So we get a nice rejection. Then we get a pullback. Okay, guys, this shit's important. Then we get a pullback to the area of value. We get a green bar that's ignored, hopped in the market short. I actually got a great short play here. Look at how close. Guys, I'm trading 3 contracts and I'm risking less than $300. I'm literally risking 3 ticks on this trade. Like high and tight. High and tight. And once again, price starts to sell off. We're in the trade. And this thing starts to sink. Okay, look at this. Beautiful. I'm adding in. So I started off with 3. And then as sellers are showing strength, I'm adding into my position. And I still got a great fill. Okay. Once again, using the area of value, using the moving averages. Okay. We obliterated this trade. Look at this. This thing just started to cook. And then it literally wicked. You guys see where my target is here at $3,000? This thing wicked right into it. $3,000 trade. Once again, using areas of value and using moving averages. You know what the craziest part is? I also traded this. I traded on my Top Step and I traded it on my cash account. Right? And once I'm not oh my God, look at me. It's dude, once you see this, you can't unsee it. We got green bar that gets ignored. Can't close outside the 20. Trade with the 20. If you can't close outside the 20, guys, it's for a reason. The market is telling you that whoever's defending that 20, you should trade with. That was it. So key takeaways from this video, because I got to hop off here. Once again, throw away all the information that's not actually serving you, okay? Ask yourself, what do I need to see to pull the trigger? I need an area of value, and I need the moving average to be respected. If you follow these 2 simple concepts, guys, you're going to take way less trades. Guys, these are the only trades I took. Oh, I took a trade on QQQ too. All right, let's look at that one. Look at this. So once again, over here on the NASDAQ, can't close outside the 20, trade with the 20. Okay? Look at this. Can't close outside the 20, trade with the 20. I got a horrible fill here. Horrible. But I was still confident that this was going to continue because of the way we use our moving averages. And it did. Look at this. Beautiful trade. Look at this. We smoked them today, guys. We absolutely smoked the market. Traded NASDAQ, traded ES, traded SPX. And I'm just so happy. Good price actions back. But we know how to trade it. And that, my friend, is worth more than gold. And for anybody that wants to learn how to trade it the way we do, get involved with our team. Join a team of savages that use moving averages the way they're intended to be able to identify healthy price action, okay, and trade with it. All right. Look at that QQQ trade. Let's just go over it. This right here is a green bar that gets ignored. So we draw our box. We don't go short. We wait for this, the retest of the 20, baby. Enter in short, stop above it. It's insane. So all in all, guys, I appreciate you. You guys are the reason why we do this. And I'm going to close with this. If you can't close outside the 20, trade with the 20. Let's crush it this week.